Hello students, welcome to Academy, the place for mathematics and science. Dear students, in today's class we are going to continue the chapter constructions, and do remember this is fourth period of this chapter. In the third period we learned different types of constructions with respect to triangles. There are three different ways of constructions. Could you recall them? What are these? Yes, first one is the base of a triangle and one base angle, and also the sum of two sides will be given. And second one, base angle, base, then difference of the two sides will be given. And third one is the base angles will be given, and also the perimeter, nothing but the sum of all the three sides of the triangle will be given. So among these we finished the first one and we were focusing on second one, right? In second case, with respect to second case, here we have one statement. Please go through this. It is, construct a triangle PQR in which QR is 6 cm, angle Q is 60 degree, then PR minus PQ is 2 cm. Let me go for drawing the rough sketch so that it will be easier for you to understand. This is the triangle PQR in which QR is 6 cm, which is the base, and angle Q, which is base angle, it is 60 degree. Then they are given PR minus PQ. Dear students, with respect to base angle, which is the adjacent side, it is PQ. Here PR minus PQ is 2 cm. Whether PQ is smaller or greater, it is smaller than the opposite side, right? That is why we have to construct this difference below the base. This is, I call this point as P. It is 2 cm. Got it? Okay. Here I write data. Observe this. So in triangle PQR, QR equal to 6 cm, angle Q equal to 60 degree. Then PQ is, sorry, you may call this as A. AP is equal to 2 cm. So now let's move on to construction. Before that, just copy the statement, draw the figure and write the data. Yes, hope that you have written. Now write construction. Next. Okay, let's go for constructing the triangle. Take scale and pencil. First, you draw a line segment QR of length 6 cm. Here, 6 cm. Yes. Name this as Q and this point as R. Next, at Q, you have to construct 60 degree. Take compasses. With Q as center, draw an arc of any radius. Next, with this point as center, without changing the radius, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at a point, call this point. Through this point, draw a line from Q. Next, you may extend this to some length below the baseline. How much it is? It is 60 degree. Then difference is given. It is 2 cm. As the adjacent side is smaller, the difference should be constructed below the base. If it is greater, then it should be above the baseline. Remember that. Now, take scale and compasses. Take 2 cm. Here, take 2 cm. Yes. Take 2 cm. With Q as center, draw an arc which cuts the line at a point you may name this line as A. Now join AR. Take scale and pencil, join AR. Next, let it be dotted line because it is not the side of the required triangle. Next, we have to draw perpendicular bisector to AR. With A as center, take more than half of AR, draw the arcs on either sides. With R as center, without changing the radius, draw the arc which cuts previous arc. Then take scale and pencil, draw the line through these points. And such that it will intersect the arm of the angle at a point P. Now join PR. So PQR is the required triangle. Therefore, PQR is the required triangle. Followed? Yes. Now write the steps of construction. First step. What is the first step? So draw the line segment QR of length 6 cm. Draw QR equal to 6 cm. Next, construct 60 degree at Q. Construct 60 degree at Q. Next, extend the line below the base up to some length. Extend the arm of the angle Q below the baseline, below QR. Next, what is the distance from A to Q? It is 2 cm with Q as center. Q as center. Then draw an arc of radius 2 cm which cuts the line at A. Next, join AR. Then draw the perpendicular bisector to AR and produce it to meet the line at P. Then join PR. Followed. Therefore, triangle PQR is obtained. Hope that you have written. Now, please go for copy up to here. Dear students, now we are moving to the last type of construction of this chapter. Go through this. Construction 11.6. Here, to construct a triangle, given its perimeter and also its two base angles. Two base angles will be given and also the sum of all the three sides of the triangle will be given. Now let us come to know how to construct this. Here I have taken one example for that. It is construct a triangle ABC in which angle B equal to 60 degree, angle C equal to 45 degree and AB plus BC plus CA equal to 11 centimeter. Followed. So here I draw the rough sketch. See that this is the triangle. Name this as ABC here they only are given. These are the base angles. Angle B is 60 degree, angle C is 45 degree. So here I write the data. Angle B 60 degree, angle C 45 degree, and the sum of all the three sides AB plus BC plus CA, it is equal to 11 centimeter. Followed? Now let's go for construction. Before that, copy this statement, draw the rough sketch, and also write data. Dear students, before going to actual construction, first let me explain you roughly. Observe carefully. Here the perimeter has been given. How much? It is 11 centimeter. Just you go for drawing a line segment of length 11 centimeter. Name this as XY. Next, here base angles are there, 60 degree and 45 degree. Here at X, you will construct 60 degree. Followed? Next, at Y, you will construct 45 degree. How? First you will construct 90 degree, and this 90 degree should be bisect. You will get 45 degree. Followed? Dear students, again I have been telling, first you will construct the base angles. After constructing base angles, these angles should be bisected. That means we have to draw the angular bisector. So here let me show you how to draw the angular bisector. Observe. With here this is 60 degree, it should be bisected. With these 2 points as center, you will draw 2 arcs which intersect at a point. From X, draw the line through the point. Similarly, you have to bisect 45 degree. With these 2 points as centers, you have to draw the arcs. They intersect at a point. Draw the line through that point from Y. Both will meet at a point. You may call this point as A. Followed? Next, after that, you should draw the perpendicular bisector to AX. Here, I'll draw perpendicular bisector. Followed? And produce the two XY. It will intersect at a point. Call this as B. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector to AY and join the points and produce it to XY. It will intersect XY at C. Then join AB and AC. So AC that comes here. Yes, AC. Now see that this is ABC is the required triangle. When you find out the measurement of all the three sides and add them, you will get 11 centimeter. Hope that you all have understood. Once I repeat, just listen carefully. You will draw the line segment XY of length 11 centimeter, which is nothing but perimeter. Construct the base angles at the ends. Then after that, bisect them. Bisect 60 degree, bisect 45 degree. Both will intersect at a point. Name that point as A. Draw perpendicular bisector to AX, perpendicular bisector to AY. Both will intersect XY at B and C. Join AB and AC. ABC is the required triangle. And to check whether your construction is correct or not, you have to follow one thing. Here AB, it should be parallel to this 60 degree angle line. And AC, it should be parallel to 45 degree angle line. Got it? Okay, now let's move on to actual construction. Get ready with your instrument books. Yes. Take scale and pencil. First, draw a line segment of length 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Okay. And name this line as XY. Now, take compasses. Construct 60 degree at X, 45 degree at Y. Yes. Use compasses with X as center. Draw an arc of some radius. From this point, draw another arc. Similarly, here, construct. First 90 degree, then you can bisect it. For 90 degree, you have to draw an arc from this point. One arc from this point. Two arcs. From one more arc. You can draw like this. Then take scale and pencil. Draw the line from X through this point. Let it be dotted line. Enough. Next, similarly, here from Y. But here they are not given 90 degree. Instead, they are given 45 degree. So construct 45 degree here. That is, you have to bisect this angle 90 degree. Yes. Now take scale and pencil again. Draw the line from X through this point. Followed? Now I'll mark it. It is 60 degree and this is 45 degree. Hope that your construction is over. Next. After constructing the given angles, now those angles should be bisected. Please do remember. Now I am going to bisect 60 degree. So with this point as center, take more than half of this angular distance. Draw the first arc and from this point draw one more arc. Next, similarly, you have to bisect 45 degree. From this point as center, draw an arc of some radius and from another point, draw an arc. Take scale and pencil. Then draw the line from X through this point with the dotted line. Similarly, draw the line from Y through this point of intersection and produce that. Both of these angular bisectors will intersect at a point. Name this point as A. Followed? Next. For AX and AY, you have to draw the perpendicular bisector. With X as center, take more than half of AX and draw the arcs on either side. With A as center, without changing the radius, draw the arcs. Next, similarly, draw the perpendicular bisector to AY. With A as center, take more than half of AY and draw the arcs on either side. With Y as center, without changing the radius, draw the arc which cuts previous arc. And do remember, the length of these arcs should be small. So then it looks neat. Next, take scale and pencil. Draw these perpendicular bisector again with the dotted line such that they should intersect XY. And I call this point as B. Similarly, join these points of intersection. It will intersect XY at C. Join AB. See that? These two are parallel. Then AC. Followed. Now ABC is the required triangle. As these two will be parallel, this will be 60 degree. And Here, these two lines are parallel. It will be 45 degree. Followed? So, conclusion. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. Over? Okay. Now you have to write the construction with me. Right. Steps of construction. Steps. First one. First, what we have done? We have drawn a line segment of length 11 centimeter. That is, we have named that as XY. Draw XY equal to 11 centimeter. Next, construct 60 degree at X. Construct 60 degree at X. Then construct 45 degree at Y. Next, draw an angular bisector to angle X, that is equal to 60 degree. Draw an angular bisector to angle X equal to 60 degree and an angular bisector to angle Y is equal to 45 degree, which meet at A. Followed? Next, join AX and AY. Next, we have to draw perpendicular bisector to AX and AY. Draw the perpendicular bisector to AX, which intersects XY at B, and the perpendicular bisector to AY, which intersects XY at C. Then join AB and AC. So therefore, triangle ABC is obtained. Followed? Yes. Please go for copying this complete. Yes. Yes, students, go through the second one. Yes. Construct triangle XYZ in which angle Y equal to 30 degree, Z equal to 90 degree and XY plus YZ plus ZX equal to 11 centimeter. So let me draw the rough sketch and name this as XYZ. They have given base angles as Y and Z. Y is 30 degree and Z is 90 degree. Actually, we have to draw the rough sketch like this. It is right angle triangle. Now, here I will write data. Here, angle Y equal to 30 degree, angle Z equal to 90 degree, then XY plus YZ plus ZX equal to 11 centimeter. Now, let's go for constructing. So, before that, copy the statement, draw the figure and write data. Hope that you have drawn. Now, start constructing with me. First, you have to draw a line segment which represents the perimeter of the triangle, that is 11 centimeter. Take scale and pencil, draw the line segment of length 11 centimeter. Here I draw 11 centimeter. Yes. 11 centimeter. But this time you should name this as AB because they have given the triangle XYZ. Next, at A, at A construct 30 degree and at B construct 90 degree. Take compasses. With A as center, draw an arc of some radius. And this will be 60 degree. But we want 30 degree. So you have to bisect it. Next, construct 90 degree at B. With B as center, draw an arc from this point, draw two arcs, and from these 2 points, if you draw 2 more arcs, they intersect at a point. Draw the line from B through this point of intersection. It is 90 degree. Then at A, we have constructed 30 degree. It is 30 degree. So these are the given angles. Next, after constructing the given angles, the next step is you have to bisect both angles. That means you should draw the angular bisectors. See that from these 2 points as center, let's go for drawing an arc. 2 arcs. This is 1, this is 1. And here 90 degree, take these 2 points as center, draw 2 arcs. Then draw the line through this point from A. Similarly, from point B through this point, such that both will intersect at a point. Let me mark the point of intersection as X. Here, this is point X. Next, draw the perpendicular bisector to AX and BX. With A as center, take more than half of AX and draw the arcs on either side. With X as center, without changing the radius, draw the arc which cut previous arc. Similarly, draw perpendicular bisector to BX. With B as center, take more than half of BX and draw the arc. With X as center, without changing the radius, draw the arc. Then draw the perpendicular bisectors. The first perpendicular bisector intersect AB at Y. Then the perpendicular bisector drawn to BX, it will intersect AB at Z. Join XY. Join XZ. See that? It is 30 degree because these 2 lines are parallel, and it is 90 degree, these 2 lines are parallel. So XYZ is the required triangle here on right. Therefore, XYZ is the required triangle. Followed. Next one. Write the steps of construction. First one. Draw AB equal to 11 centimeter. Second one. Construct 30 degree at A and 90 degree at B. Then Draw an angular bisector to A. Draw an angular bisector to A, to angle A equal to 30 degree and angle B equal to 90 degree, which intersect at X. Next, join AX and BX. AX and BX. Next point. Draw the perpendicular bisector to AX. Draw the perpendicular bisector to AX, which intersects AB at Y, and the perpendicular bisector to BX intersects AB at Z. Then join XY and XZ. Therefore, triangle XYZ is obtained. Hope that you all have written with me. Dear students, in today's class, what are the constructions we have done? They are important. Definitely one construction will be given in the examination. You must practice today itself without fail nearly 2 to 3 times. So with this, let us stop the class. Thank you very much.